Hello, this is Arthur again. Today I'm going to show you the video tutorial for Spicynodes. As you can see here, spicynodes.org. This is a very useful and interesting website where you can create your own mind map. For this you need to just sign in, and this is basically free. So you can sign up here if you want. Sign up now here, for example. So you have to just give your username, email, password, and confirmation password. As I have already got an account, so I just log in here. Log in. So give my username and my password. Alright, so you can see here I've already log in, so I can go to my home page if I want. Home page here, so you can see here how many different mind maps I have already created. For example, you can see here techno-psycholinguistic model, for example. I can click on the view and see that it's loading now. App already here. As you can see here, this is a mind map, and I can click here, see. As you can see here, we can see a much bigger screen now. If you click on that, so it will open the new branch. For example, here you can see pedagogy or andragogy, so online pedagogy. If you want to see here, you can click on that and it creates its further branches. For example, if I want to go back to my original distance language learning model, I can see moral psychology, for example. Click on that and you can see here psycholinguistic and individual differences. So if you want to see more, you click on that, and gradually it shows you all the branches that you have here. For example, so if you want to see this, so as you can see, it's very easy. So I'm going to show you now how. As you can see here, you can so we return to the home page again in my account. So for example, now I want to create my own mind maps. So for this I click here, home. As you can see here on the right hand side, you have an account, individual, the quick links, and get support. If you look at here quick links, then you can say create a new node map, this one. So I'm gonna click on that, create a new node map. For example, I can create how we study English online study, for example, being empty and content, and then I click on here, make new node map. Then some new spice in the pantry, so you can continue with that. Continue. Then you can see here the edit style. So in a while you will see a new page where you can change your style if you want. Alright, as you can see here, you can choose a different style from this, for example, whichever you like. For example, it will open a new page here. See here, I select this style, so I'm gonna just edit the content. If I want to edit, I can just click on that, edit content. So right there, as you can see, you can start your node map home. So you can edit details if you want. For example, your node home. Right. How to start English, right? So you can just click here. Here you can see here done. All right. Then if we can see here, for example, we need 4 branches. So I click on that and click on this plus button, so you can see here new node. There is a new node 1, and already you can see here 3, so I'm just going to edit those. For example, reading, then double click on that, writing, and then click on done, then speaking, reading, writing, speaking, and listening, right? And it's rather easy, so done. For example, in under reading, we want to create several sub branches, for example. So for that, I just click on that and click on the plus button here. So you can see, for example, I will add several, maybe 4, for example. And like these, for writing, I can create several sub branches. For example, 1, 2, 3. For speaking, I can create several sub branches like that, and for listening as well. Yes, so it's very easy, as you can see here. For example, in reading, you can add here some branches. For example, grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, reading aloud, and so on, like this. So you can add these things, and after that, when you finish your editing, then you can save on that, right? So you see here, save. So I saved my mind map, and now I can have a look on how it looks like. For example, preview. I can go with the preview here, click on. As you can see here, there are 4 branches. For example, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. If I click on the reading, as we put some branches there, for example, click on that reading, so you can see here the branches open up here: grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, reading aloud, and so on. And it's pretty easy. So if you want to see it in live, and you can look at it in live, for example, see it in live, right? So you can see the full mind map. I mean, in bigger picture, you see here. So you can see here. You can see the whole mind map. If you click on that, it will open up all branches here. If you want to see the whole picture, right? After creating your own mind map, you can share with your friends, with your students, with your teachers if you want. For example, you can get the embed here. To get the embed, you can click, and you can get the HTML if you want, for example, here. And also you can get the URL and copy it URL to clipboard. So just click it, and this is not very difficult. I mean, just very easy to create. So hope you will create your own mind map by using Spicynodes, and hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.